Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the song Black Betty from Ram Jam. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free or a premium membership account, and also share my channel to everybody who loves guitar. So, how does this thing work or sound? I just learned it. It's that sucker is harder to play than I thought, but and it's totally arranged. Well, I'm gonna play the main riff that you recognize it. That one. That's that one, okay? So, the main problem on this song is it's totally arranged. It's from A till Z. Every note has to be there where it should be, more or less. So I wrote out the whole thing for you guys. Well, it was quite a work. Well, it's not so hard. It's just 3 parts. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you the parts which are played, the main riff, the guitar solo, which is unison with the other guitar, and the other two parts. So let's get started. Yeah, but you need to have your rhythm skills a little bit together, otherwise you cannot deal with this. It's basically, for me, it's a sight reading exercise because I could not keep the whole thing. I need to do sight reading here. Yeah, but rhythm expertise would be something which is of use, but I'm going to show in a way that you still are able to follow and just try to learn it by ear. So let's get started. Okay guys, as I said, the whole tune is arranged through. And there are several versions. I'm gonna talk about the live version, the one where they're hanging in the garden, where the band is in the garden. But the main parts are there in all versions, and there are also alternative ways of playing it. So you have to find out yourself which ways you want to do it, but the main parts works the same for everybody. The thing is based on it's in B minor. Okay? So one thing is which happens often, you have to count, if you want to play this thing, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So the beginning is just the same. That figure comes after you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then comes the next difficulty. The second time it's on 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes to this chord 7, 7. So we have the power chord 5, 7 to 7, 9, and then this figure. Okay, now let's check out the main riff. It's like this. It starts on 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you slide up, then attack once again. So 4 and 1, and then 2 dead notes. And then we go here 7, 7 to 9, 9, back to 7, 7. That's the main riff. Slide up, that's the main thing, slide up. Then 2 dead notes. And then back to here. That is played 4 times, but the main difficulty is played really fast. It's it's really fast, so we need to have it together. That is played 4 times. Then comes the middle part, is with offbeats. So it starts with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And this one here comes on 1/60 note after 4. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And this is played 4 times. And then comes just like this. And then the lyric starts. And that's not much to play, but the rhythm is essential. I checked the live version, as the garden version is playing it here, but you could also play it here, but he's playing it here. 3rd, 2nd, 4th fret. So, and it comes on 2 and 1. Comes on 2 and so 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, or with a 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 2 and 3, and so on. Okay. Let me try, and I need my glasses now to play this thing with sight reading. I'm gonna try to play the first page somehow. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then you wait. Lyrics start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 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 3, 4. And now comes the second page. As I said, the hardest part here is to keep the arrangement. You need to learn this thing by heart, probably. With sight reading, it's, if you can do, I can do sight reading, it works, but since there are 3 pages, they're stuck together. I need to move the page here, see? Yeah. Okay. So now let's go to page 2. The same thing comes again as the intro. Yeah, that's basically what happened. That whole thing repeats itself once till the lyrics, and then comes kind of an interlude. That's this one here. It's really easy to play. Here, 7, 7. 7 to 9, 7. And then we're on the pentatonics. Okay. And it's off beats. That means you play 60 notes, chaka, 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 and they're always the off. See? And that comes in several rows. And the part is to play fast. So that's played 4 times. Yeah, with pauses in between. And then comes the final solo, which is unison as well. Everything is unison. So as I said, it's in a full arrangement, and you need to know this thing by heart. Now comes the solo. In the live version, they make this tapping here at the end, but if that's too hard for you, just skip that. Okay. Now, it's played in the... Let me switch a little bit nearer for the solo, because the rest was easy to understand. It was more to see the whole movement. But now with the solo, B minor pentatonic, start here in the 5th. So 5, 7, 5. You have to do it with the hammer on pull off. Now you move up here, 7. Hammer on. Same thing again. And now comes in 60 notes. Hammer on. So 10, 11, 12 you play twice. Move up to 15. So and there you can do this tapping if you want. If not, you just leave it. Yeah. On tempo 115. This soccer is not so easy. I hope I can do it. Seriously, I just learned the song now with sight reading. Oops. That's it. Yeah. And then comes a long pause, and then comes on the live version comes again the lyrics with the chord here on 2 and 1, 2, and then it finishes on B5. Yeah, guys, that was Black Betty by Ram Jam, the garden version. Well, the tabs which I wrote for you here are the garden version. You know, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy if you want them. But as I already showed you the stuff here, these are the main parts, and you need to check the version of your choice and where the specific parts are coming. And there are little variations on when you have which. Well, sometimes they make this stuff or stuff like this comes, and whoa, what's that here? Oh my god, something dropped out of Miss Dr. Pink. How could this ever happen? I have to go to Dr. Pink Doctor. Yo. Yeah, that's basically what you can do. Listen to it, play it, start slow, and the counting is a really essential thing on the whole part here, yo. One more to say about this, not much more. If you love my channel, please subscribe. Share it to your friends if you want to have those. Become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If not, you just listen to original and stuff like that. Me and Dr. Pink are saying bye.